Hi, I'm Captain Minna Roos from Satakunta University of Applied Sciences. I'm going to tell you shortly about voyage and route planning tasks, the most important task you need to know. Collect all the nautical publications, paper and electronic charts and other guides you need for preparing the plan. Make sure that they are all updated. Take into account your boat's crew's experience and skills, and also your boat's features and equipment. Check the weather forecast from several sources if possible. Plan your voyage from key to key. If you use paper charts, move your plan to Northers also.